are you doing, silly? Oh, 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 I did it!
He's just enjoying rolling around.
Yeah. That's a word better. Daddy, you're being silly. What are you doing, crazy man? It looks like you're doing it on purpose, but Daddy's rolling you around. Happy baby. That is kind of funny how Daddy can roll him around in the bed. Let's try it again.
You know what? I think he kind of helps it along so he can roll on his belly. And see how easy it is for him to roll on his back?
Mm-hmm.
Because I think he's kind of like helping that along.
You did it! You did it! Yeah! You ready to go to Disneyland?
Let's go to
Let's go to
Disneyland.
Disneyland.
The day is young.